Hello everybody, let's glue book and my little mini composition glue book. And I'm showing you the last two layouts that we worked on. And I have my glue, my scissors, and I'm going to be working and pulling, I'm going to be pulling from the quilt book that we've been using for the last couple months, and this paper, this sticker book that I got back in 2020. So yeah, I need to use up my supplies. Use what you have, and here we go. Let's start on a new page. So I hope everyone is well and had a nice, happy New Year. Happy Glue Year 2026. Yes. Yes. I made it to 11:30. I made it to 11:30 and I couldn't take it anymore, so I went to sleep. That's not as bad as the other years where I just say, forget it and go to sleep. No, I tried to wait. I tried to wait. I tried to hang out. I tried, and I didn't make it. But I did hear the fireworks. I'm glad they were away from the house because I really didn't want to be bothered with them right next to the house. So they were far away, and I heard it off to the distance. And I said, Happy New Year. And I went on back to sleep. I went back to sleep, y'all. I'll see you in the morning with a good cup of coffee. I'm glad everybody, seems like everybody enjoyed themselves with, oh, I forgot what I was going to say. Oh, I'm in the mood for angles. You could tell, look, I'm in the mood for it. So, it's interesting working in or playing in these little glue books. It takes the same amount of time as putting a large spread up, because I think this cut off too, and I still kept working a little bit more, but this was a half hour, I know, and then it shut off because my camera shuts off at half hour. But that's kind of interesting. It felt faster. It felt like I was filling it up faster, but yeah, I really wasn't. I heard the camera go off, and I was like, wow. I think I'm good for a show. It was I used words. So yeah, use up everything that you can in these magazines. Here I call. She's talking about her grandmother and her grandmother giving her money, and it instantly took me back to where I put it in the book. I wanted to keep that in the book, and that's what helps personalize these books. Use stuff that you like, that means something to you, because when you go, a lot of people just recycle these books at the end. Because it's something that you do to relax and it's just for you. But if you keep them like I do, I like to have personal things that kind of mean something to me. And she was talking about her grandmother giving her, I'm gonna call it a piece of change, because that's what, come on y'all, who know what I'm talking about. And my grandma and my grandpa, he would reach in his pockets and then give us all the change. And we were running out. My aunt was a oopsie baby for my grandmother, so she was around our age. She always wanted us to call her aunt. I was like, I'm not calling you my aunt. You're 3 years older than me. I'm not calling you my aunt. But we would run down to the corner store and buy penny candy. Who remembers penny candy? Who remembers filling? Now your parents maybe didn't allow you to do it, but we would run down there, fill up a little bag of penny candy, and run back to the house and put it under the pillow when I would spend the night over my grandmother's house. It was so funny. It just took me back. Grandpa would just reach in and give us the change, and we would run. And that penny, it would last a long time. The money would last. This is not magazine only. You can see I'm starting to pull up things that were on my desk and things that came. See, I'm shaking it now. I want to find the goodies, because a lot of times I'll file things in the notebook and to put in for later use. So nothing fell out. Nothing fell out. Ah, but where did that come off? It, you know, when you tear out a page and probably, oh, I'm getting ready to skip on. That's from a Trader Joe's, and I'm going to use that ribbon right there and add it. And I'm going to use that Trader Joe's tag too to put on something later. Not on this one, but I kept it. Oh, I think that came from, I bought the bag, and the man just rips off the tag off my brand new bag that I just bought. And you know I wanted to leap across that. I wanted to leap across that table off the counter. I was like, no, I didn't want you to. I kind of want to do that. I mean, a person pays for that bag. They want to tear off the tag. I was a little bit hot. I was through with him. Look. But anyway, yeah, this isn't magazine only. This is going to use up the things I find on my desk and anything else. I didn't want to find time. I didn't want to find time. Yeah, I didn't want to find time to go find my bits and bobs that I usually had. Oh, that didn't look bad there. It's kind of funny how sometimes when you're working on it, you may think, oh, that don't look good there. Oh, don't look good there. That actually looks cute there. Looking at it through the looking at it from here, this angle. I think I'm going through this. Beside me, I have a filing cabinet full of things from over the years. And oh, I stopped. I must have stopped and said, no, let me just hurry up and keep going with this because I didn't go and look for my bag of supplies like I usually have. I didn't want to take the time out. So, because you know, once I have the energy and my music's running, I got to go with it. I got to go with it so I could get a video up. It wouldn't take time looking for it. So I had put them all in these in this huge bin. So I'm gonna go through that and start using it again. It's time to start doing random items again, so I can use up all the things that I have. Yeah. So did I finish my thought on that story? Yeah, about the penny candy and stuff like that. Oh boy, that's probably why my dentist loves me now. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, my grandparents never said that I could recollect. It was so long ago. I ain't gonna tell you how long ago, but it's so long ago when we used to do that. It was just so much fun to go get that penny candy in the bag. And yeah, that's why my dentist loves me. That's why I'm paying her way to go wherever she wants to go in the world. Because that darn penny candy. No, let me stop. But it did. It brought back some fond memories. You never know, you know. And I purposely knew I was going to just videotape. I didn't talk at all while I was doing this because I was thinking about something. You know, and I remember I tear that off. I did not like it. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, use and y'all seen me do this over the years. Use little pieces that you find and use it as like how we used to use washi tape. Or like if you don't have the washi tape, there it is. You have a magazine. There's so many things a magazine could be used for. That's why I love using a magazine. I rack my brains trying to figure out ways that a beginner could start glue booking and just go and really feel like they have a full picture. Oh, that's a doodle art piece that I did last year, and then I cut it out because it didn't turn out. So I don't waste nothing. I've never over the years, y'all know from day one, I ain't waste nothing. I didn't waste nothing. It goes in. That's why another reason why I just love glue book. It was always a place for my scraps, the leftover pieces. I've always had my little scraps to figure out how I could put if reuse my scraps and things. thrive. That's a good word for this year. It's not my the word this year. Do you have a word that for this year? I haven't picked one, and now it's the year has started. I don't think I will, but y'all know I always like to. And I'm doodling. You know, more is more for me. I just can't stop sometimes. Sometimes I just get in the zone and I just keep going. I just keep going. But then it didn't look right, so I stopped. I said, stop it. I stop it. Now I'm going into this hot buy paper pad that it has 2020 on it. And it's sad, but I'm gonna make good use. I'm gonna make good use of my things this year. Really try to go in there and use it up. I had fun doing this spread. And that is a good word for us to use this. That hopefully you be inspired by it. Is to thrive. That's right. Last one with a don't settle. Right? Fine. Don't settle. No, do not. I'm not gonna get to talking too much right now because you know y'all because I only have a minute left. But and then the next is to thrive. Don't just exist. Thrive. Be determined to thrive. Because it's going to be a lot that's going to try to hold us back this year. It's going to be a lot that we're going to see and be surprised that don't just dig your heels in. Says, I'm going to make it. I like this little book. I got a couple of them. Isn't that what we do? We get something and haul it and then pack it away and then don't use it. And so I'm going to make an effort. I really always try to do that every year, but I'm really going to try to make an effort to really go through my things and use them. It really hurts when I see stuff from 2017 and things like that. So, made it to the end. And I'd like to thank you so very much for watching and stopping on by. If you made it this far, let me know that you came on by. If you don't have anything to say, leave a wave emoji or a glue book emoji, or let's see, a candy emoji. Yeah, for my dentist, right? For my dentist. Thank you so very much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.